Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll give you a quick summary of all the insight I learned from the 10-minute millionaire entrepreneur advice for people starting from zero. So this is a video by Alex Hormozy. Um, just a quick story here. I did watch the whole video and I record the whole thing, like um, writing my notes on one side and listening to the video on the other side. But like after I finished recording, I realized that halfway through the video, somehow the video paused and I end up missing everything. So instead of doing the whole process again, I will just be going through the notes that I have written for you guys and just telling you of the best thing that I've learned through this process and what you can take away from it. So the whole video was about how to pick a niche when you're starting out. So according to Alex, at first you should pick a niche that you have past experience in, a niche that you know that you have a background in and you've been working in that industry or you're really passionate about it. You have done a lot of research. So what do you have experience in? Because like there's always problem in every industry out there, and with the entrepreneurial spirit in you, you just need um to go into the industry you're in and find a way to solve the problem that appeared there. So another point that he was talking about is that at the beginning you'll be really bad. Just like me right now. I am not good. I'm bad. But the more that you are willing to fail, to take on that incremental improvement over time, you will become better. It's like the snowball effect. At first it's just a little ball, but it keeps rolling down the hill, and after a lot of time it will turn to a gigantic football and then a gigantic huge snowball that that that's like big enough for you to say that I have a fundamental understand of something. And he said that just because you're struggling doesn't mean you're failing. I think that's a great point, because like you only fail when you give up, and like after you get through the struggling process, you will get good at it. And when you get good at something that you really enjoy, when you get good at it, you will start to like the process. You will start to like the sale, the marketing, and then the finance, all those stuff. And from there, you will even love the game more. And when you love something, you're willing to invest more time, more effort into the process to understand more that, hey, things are long term. It's gonna take like 5 years, 10 years. It doesn't matter, because the thing is that we have to think long term, and that there are people who have been in this game for 30 or 40 years, and we cannot just go in and get like, oh, I'm a master of entrepreneur in 90 days. That's just not how it works. Um, I think this is a big mistake that personally I am making, and I don't know if you guys are making it as well. But like we nowadays, there's resource everywhere, and every time you go to YouTube, you can find a video like, oh, how I make $1,000 per month working 2 hour a day, like that, something like that. And I think Alex was trying to convey through this video is that you must have respect for the game, respect that this is a long and hard process, and that you might not get success overnight. You absolutely won't. But just get your head down, do the fundamental hard work that you need to do, and then things will get better as it goes on. Like this video, I know I'm not that good. I'm not the most charismatic person in the world, but I'm doing it because I know the benefit, the long-term benefit that I will get for being comfortable in front of the camera to convey this message to you, to build a community together. So a lot of us don't know where to start. So let's just pick an industry and stick to it. Pick an industry you like, stick to it for longer period of time than anyone would. And from there, you start learning, improving your skill set, and you might be the next Alex Hormozzi, the next Bill Gates, the next Elon Musk. Who knows? But it all start with the small step that we all need to take. So this is just a short summary of all the key points that I've learned from Alex's video, the 10-minute millionaire entrepreneur advice for people starting from zero. I would like a big shout out to Alex for this amazing video and of the amazing content that you have provided for us. With that being said, I'll leave a I'll leave a link to the Notion page down below, and if you have any more questions, feel free to comment down below. Consider subscribing if you want to support our mission to create a community of like-minded entrepreneurs who are willing to change the world for the better. Um, I guess see you next time on the next video. Bye.